Boom! 60-second Steve here. Let's talk about drones, and more specifically, let's talk about this bad boy. This is the DJI Spark. Now, I already own the DJI Mavic Pro, and some of you are probably wondering, if you've got the Mavic Pro, which records in 4K, higher frame rates, it can go faster, further, for longer, why would you buy the DJI Spark when it looks like a toy? And I kind of put it in the same kind of category as like people that have DSLRs like myself and then go out and buy a compact camera like myself. And part of it is in the name, like when you buy a compact camera, it's more compact, it's more portable, it's more practical. But the main reason why I got a compact camera, and one of the main reasons why I bought the DJI Spark, is because it doesn't attract as much attention. It's not out there, it's not in people's faces. You can kind of like go under the radar a little bit. So if you're doing like street photography and that kind of thing where you don't really want to attract as much attention to yourself, then I take the compact camera. And the same goes with the DJI Spark. Because of its form factor, because it's small, it looks really cute. People just think that I'm just a big kid with a toy and I'm just messing around. Some people don't even realize that it's got a camera on it. So you can kind of get it out, you can get it up in the air a lot quicker. So I'm going to show you a little video now from when I was flying this in Portugal on holiday last year. And I wish I was in Portugal now because I am freezing. But yeah, I was in Portugal last year and I thought, you know what, I can just chuck this in my bag with my camera. So let's just take it with me and see what I can capture. Didn't really do anything special, wasn't really after anything really cinematic. I just wanted to get out there, enjoy the weather and have a little play with the drone. So it was the second time that I'd flown it, so still getting to grips with it. I did have some connectivity issues, which I'll probably cover in a later video. So I got these before I went away. These are some ND filters from Polar Pro. I'll put a link in the description below. If you don't know what ND filters are, briefly, they are sunglasses for your camera. And if you really want to know more, then you can Google it. Yeah, so we've got me, ND filters, DJI Spark, Portugal, let's go.